Om Sairam, Sri V.M. Ramaswamy Iyer. I have known Sri Narasimha Swamiji from his student days. Even in his youth, Narasimha Swamiji had a religious bent of mind. At school, he was attracted by the life of Jesus Christ and studied the Bible. Later, he was attracted by the life of Sri Sorakai Swamiji, who had his ashram near Vellore, and at his expense, Narasimha Swamiji wrote a biography of this Swamiyar and distributed it free. No doubt, because of his able advocacy and eloquence, Narasimha Swamiji established himself as a leader of the legal profession in Salem. What, however, won him the love and lifelong attachment of his clients was his kindliness and compassion for the suffering clients. Sri J. N. Bose, Kolkata. It was in 1941 that I had the rare luck of meeting Sri Narasimha Swamiji in Kolkata. He taught me many valuable teachings of Sai Baba. The remarkable thing about Sri Narasimha Swamiji was that, in features and appearance, he resembled the rishis of the Vedic age. He never wasted even a minute's time excepting for a short sleep at night. He used to write something on Sai Baba or talk about him whenever a devotee came to him. Even during his train journeys, he used to write books. Sri S. Ramanathan. I met Narasimha Swamiji just a few hours before he passed away on 19th October 1956, and I was amazed to see that Swamiji was totally unconcerned and fearless about death. The usual peace and calmness of his mind radiated on his face. Trusting God and his gurus, Swamiji had conquered death. Though he is in no more physically, he will guide the destiny of the Sai movement in our country. Professor K. R. R. Shastri. I met the veteran lawyer politician Narasimha Iyer in Salem in 1920. When I was the presiding officer at a polling booth in 1941, I met him at Madras after his renunciation. Later, I met him in Allahabad when he addressed 5 public meetings on Sai Baba. Assiduous students would find that both Ramana and Sai Baba attracted not merely Hindus but Muslims and others. Both upheld the equal validity of all religions. Sai Baba, after treading both the Muslim and Hindu paths, guided all. Ramana Maharishi had devotees from all faiths. It is a striking coincidence that the world outside knew of both these saints through the pioneering studies of Narasimha Swamiji. Om Sai Ram.